How to run Python files in Visual Studio Code. So first you want to open up Visual Studio Code or your existing project if you have one. And then you want to create a script or Python file by right-clicking New File, and then call your file, for example, myfile.py, which is very important for the extension to py. Now, to run your file, you will need to have Python installed on your system. And to check if you have it already, you can go to Terminal, New Terminal, and then here type Python space dash dash version, and then press enter. And if it prints a version like that, it means you have Python installed. Otherwise, you will need to open up your browser and search for Python. Click on the first link and then go to downloads. And from here, you can download the Python install manager, or you can get the latest version directly here by clicking Python 3.14 and should give you the installer for it. And then you will need to run the installer and follow along with the steps to install Python. I have it already installed, so I see modify, repair, and uninstall, but you should see the install button at the top here. And once you finish installing, you will need to restart your Visual Studio Code project. You need to save everything, close it, and then open it up again. Now, with your script or Python file selected, you want to go to Run and then Start debugging or Run without debugging. And you can choose whatever you want. I'm going to run it with debugger and then choose Python debugger and then Python file. And this should run it. It should open up your terminal directly and run the script. And as you can see right here, it ran the script and it printed hello world, which is this one right here. And to run it without a debugger, you can click on run without debugging. It should run it directly and prints hello world. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you on the next one.